I love how she hit that where. It wasn't where, it was where. Almost like where. So the R was gone. Baby, baby, I'm aware. So I was going back and forth about doing this video, but I saw some of you comment that y'all wanted to see me talk about this video. So I said, why not? She's doing some good singing, and it's a fun medley, y'all. So let's get into it. Baby, baby, I'm aware. I love how she hit that where. It wasn't where, it was where. Almost like where. So the R was gone. Baby, baby, I'm aware. I like that. Ooh, that was smooth.
Each time you leave my door, I watch you walk down the street, knowing you're the love you'll meet.
I watch you walk down the street. There's some lightness and maybe a little bit of a higher larynx. I watch you walk down the street. Da, 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 da. You know, it's not, I watch you walk down. No, it's kind of more spread, a little bit lighter. I watch you walk down the street.
But this time, before you run to her, leaving me alone and hurt, after I've been good to you.
She does these slight throws at the end of some of these phrases too. Da 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 da. You can hear it slightly on some of these phrases or some of these endings of the vocal lines, if you will. You hear this little throw.
After I've been sweet to you.
After I've been had a little vocal fry, like a bright vocal fry. After I da da da. So I think the brightness of that vocal fry, the vocal slack moment, came from how the mouth was shaped. And it was like an upswing vocal fry. Da, 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 da. And I think how she shaped the vocal tract in more so this more twangy, lighter, higher larynxy type sound that she has here. I think that's part of the combination of that high, upward swinging vocal fry moment.
Stop in the name of love before you break my heart.
In the name of love, break my heart. You can hear those vocal slides right there, those little vocal throws. But you also hear some tallness in her sound. Though the sound is more lighter and na 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 na. You hear stop in the name of love. The sound's a little bit darker, a little bit taller. In the name of love. It's not love, love. Before you break my heart. And the T of heart is just let go altogether. Heart.
Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. One more time. Stop. Ooh, baby love, my baby love, I need you. Oh, I need you.
Need ya! That's that darkness I keep talking about. Need ya! It's not need ya! No. Need ya! So it's almost like the larynx drops a little bit. She touched the cricoid cartilage. Makes it sound a little bit beefier when she says these certain words. And it seems like in this performance here, these warmer sounds happen at the ends of phrases with the vocal throws. Possibly.
But all you do is treat me bad. You break my heart and leave me sad. Tell me, what did I do wrong?
I like how she is making the articulation in this song differently percussive than the first one. The articulation in this song has a little bit more of a punch to it, you know, than the other song to me. So it's all you do but make me bad. I turn around and make me sad. So the consonants, or the syllables I should say, the syllables are a little bit quicker. The consonants have a little bit more of a to them, and the syllables are a little bit more separated and quicker in rhythm, if that makes sense.
To make you stay away so long, 'cause baby love, my baby love, I've been missing you, I miss kissing you.
You can see that mouth go longer. Baby love, right there. Baby love, my baby love. That's that taller sound that I keep talking about that she brings in to some parts of this performance.
Instead of breaking up,
was nice. She stayed on the of warm. Warm embrace my love. And she moved a little trick right there. I like that.
Don't throw our love away. Please don't do me this way.
Throw my love away. She had a couple upswing vocal slides in this song too. Throw my love away.
Not happy like I used to be. Baby, 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 baby,
Ooh. Another vocal throw right there. But that ooh was really heady. Ooh, and focus. Ooh. Ooh. You really feel the resonance when you do it right in the head. Ooh.
Come on, everybody! Hey! Set me free, why don't you, baby? Get up my life, why don't you, baby? 'Cause you don't really love me. You just keep me hanging up.
Keep, not keep. That kind of gives that more warmer sound that I keep talking about that she has in parts of her vocal line. Keep me hanging on. So she almost kind of spread the phrase out in the mouth shape a little bit. Keep me hanging on. That's interesting.
Oh, no, you don't really need me. You just keep me hanging up. Why do you keep coming around, playing with my heart? Why don't you get out of my life and let me make a new start?
I love how she is singing so aggressively and thickly and warmly and more beefier in this performance here. In these songs, this medley. I like that. I enjoy that.
And let me get over you the way you got it over me. Hey, set me free, why don't you, babe? Hey, let me be, why don't you, baby? 'Cause you don't really love me. You just keep me hanging up.
She's really singing more in her thick folds, a chesty voice. Hey, keep me hanging on. And it's almost like each song got darker and richer as she migrated through the medley. So the first song was more lighter, here kind of like that. The second one had lighter moments, but also had beefier moments. This song is like, hey, you know, the whole time. She's kind of like barking this one a little bit more than she did the other two. So it almost like has different tiers of elevated intensity dynamically, or vocally, I should say, in sound as she's migrating through this medley a little bit.
No, you don't really need me. You just keep me hanging up. You say although we broke up, you still wanna be just friends. But how can we still be friends when seeing you just only breaks my heart again? There ain't nothing I can do about it.
Did you hear her talking voice, how it kind of differentiated from the singing voice? And there's nothing you can do about it. So she got a little bit more twangy in the speaking part right there. Ain't nothing you can do about it, but everything else is, I would have loved to be, keep me hanging on.
Why don't you be a man about it and set me free? No, 'cause you don't care a thing about me.
That was emphatic. Don't care a thing about me. It was separated, had a little bit more of like a speech-like sound to it, but it was a thing about me. With the point, it got really emphatic in that way.
You're just using me. Go on, get out of my life and let me sleep at night, please. 'Cause you don't really love me. You just keep me hanging on.
When she went up on that note right there, that last note, the resonance changed, the sound changed. You can see her mouth move too. Her mouth changed shape, her larynx changed shape. It went from like that more beefier, wider, got less wide as she went higher, got a little more twangy. something like that. Yeah, that was interesting. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed watching it with y'all. And as I will forever say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.